Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this online earning platform which claims that user can earn money when they do tasks, watch videos on their platform. How real is this platform and how legit is this platform known as PayTub? Have you been participating on this platform or earning on this platform and you don't know if this platform is actually a legitimate platform or a scam platform? In this review video, I am going to be revealing to you guys every single details you need to know about this very platform known as PayTub, as you can see here on your screen. This very video will reveal to you if this platform is actually a legitimate platform or a scam platform. All you need to do is to calm down and watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video, you are going to find out if they are legit or scam. Okay? But before I proceed with this video, guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I know, this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas on this my channel on daily basis. For you not to miss out any of my latest updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new videos like this. Okay, then at the end of this video, if you are not in any of my WhatsApp group or Telegram group, I'll be leaving my Telegram group link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join us for daily business updates and money making tips on daily basis. That is what I shared there on my Telegram group. I'll be leaving the link in the comment section of this video. Okay, then before I proceed with this video, I would love to lay a clear disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and informational purpose only and not a financial advice, as the results may vary based on how you use PayTub platform. This video does not guarantee you any result, so therefore you are advised to make your own research before using any platform. This is what I always tell my viewers, that before you start using any platform, the first thing you need to do is to conduct adequate background researches. Making researches will help you make informed decisions so that you don't end up wasting your time, your data, your energy, or your effort on platforms. Okay, so that's the reason why I always advise people to always make research before using any platform. Okay, in this video, I'll be talking about what is PayTub all about and how does it work and how can one earn on this platform, and then how can one withdraw on this platform. Then we'll be talking about if this platform known as PayTub is actually a legitimate platform or a scam platform, which is the main reason why I am making this video, to reveal to you guys if this platform is actually a legitimate one or a scam one. Now let's dive into the business. What is PayTub all about? PayTub is an online earning platform which claims that the user can actually earn money by completing and testing app and watching videos on their platforms. That is what this platform claims to be. They claim that when one watch video, do task, test app, that they will reward the user with some money. So is that real or fake? We will find out in this very video. And how does it work? First of all, for you to start earning on this platform known as PayTub, they require that you must be the registered member on the platform. And then when you become the registered member on the platform, they claim that how you can earn is by watching videos. And when you click on this three dots here and then click on task, and by completing daily task on the platform, they claim that when you do that, then you have some certain amount which you'll be earning to your balance. And then when they claim that when you earn that money, that you'll be able to withdraw it. Then another way you can earn is through invitation or referring. When you invite your friends and family to join the platform, according to how the platform claim, they claim that when they sign up, they will give you some money. And then as long as you continue inviting them, that you will also continue to receive bonus as they are doing tasks. That is what this platform claims to be. And then how can you place your withdrawal? The platform also claim that you can withdraw when you reach their minimum withdrawal, that you can go to payment session and then request withdrawal. That is what the platform claims to be. Now, is it legit or scam? Now that I've explained to you guys every single details you need to know about this platform, I have talked about what is it all about, how does it work, how do you withdraw, and now is it legit or scam? That is the question. Well, at the time I was making this video, according to my own personal experiences with this kind of platform and my own investigation which I have conducted on this platform, no one has confirmed being paid or cashed out from this very platform known as PayTub. So a lot of people have been making researches, asking questions, where is payment proof, is there payment proof? And according to my own personal researches and experiences, this platform has not paid money to anyone. From what I have discovered so far, so good. So you are also advised to make your own research. Okay, so have you been paid on the platform? If it is yes, you can also comment below. But at the time I was making this video, no one has reportedly cashed out successfully from this platform. Okay, now is it legit? Well, at the time I was making this video, no one has confirmed being paid, like I said earlier. So for that reason, we cannot tag this platform that is legit. So at this time, we cannot confirm it legit. So it is not legit yet as the time I was making this video. And it's not scam by asking people to invest money or put money. There is no option like invest or deposit on the platform. So how are they scam? We can easily, or we can say that they are scam by one way or the other. How can we say it? Number one is because they are only asking people to watch videos and they are not paying them. So to me and my own opinion, I am thinking what they are doing is that they are just using people to generate traffic for their YouTube videos, for their apps, using you to test their apps and the rest of them. At the end of the day, they don't pay. So not like they are scam because they don't ask people to deposit. Please take note, when you are calling a platform scam, you should ask yourself, how much did they scam you? Because number one, this platform, they are not asking people to deposit or invest money. There is no option like that on the platform. However, what they're doing is just that they're wasting people's effort, wasting people's data, vulnerable data, and the rest of them. So that is what they are doing. So for that reason, we can say this platform is fake. Okay, so it is not real as the time I was making this video. So if you have been making Android researches thinking that this platform is real or fake, so with my own experiences with this kind of platform, when I made a video on, I don't know if any of you watching this video can recall Freestar, MomoTube, TubePay, TubePay. Any of you watching this, I don't know if you can recall any of this platform. These are the platforms that appear similar to this, and then at the end of the day, what happens? They tell people to watch video, do task. At the end of the day, they didn't pay people. So another thing we should be asking, who is the CEO of this platform? The CEO of this platform is unknown. Where is the physical office? We don't know. All these things they kept them anonymous. So they just tell people to watch videos, do tasks, and then at the end of the day, they don't pay people. So you can see that there is no enough evidence for us to prove that this platform is legit. So that's the reason why has been confirmed fake as I was making this video. And according to my own researches, a lot of people have been saying all sort of negative things about this platform, that they have reached minimum withdrawal, that when they place withdrawal, they have been waiting for over a month and they did not pay them. So you can see. So that's why I tell people to also do your own research before using any platform. This video is not meant to discourage you or to encourage you to use this platform or not. This is me sharing my own personal experiences and my own opinion with this kind of platform, because I have encountered and have came across a lot of platforms like this. I have come like Money Easily, Freestar, and the rest of them, and they all function similarly. They tell people to watch video, do task, test app. Then at the end of the day, what happens? They don't pay the users. Because number one, we should be asking ourselves question: how does the platform generate their own money? What is the source of their income? These are the things we need to ask ourselves. So this platform, according to my own investigation, I found out that this platform does not have any means of generating revenue for their user. Rather, what they are doing is that they are using their users to generate traffic for themselves and then nothing more. So that's it. So have you been paid on this platform, and what are your own experiences so far so good with this platform? You can also share it in the comment section of this video. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. And then a lot of people have been thinking, making research, asking if this platform is legit or scam, and then you can share this video so that those making research will also get to know more about this platform. This is the full review video of PayTub platform. As the time I was making this video, the platform has been confirmed fake and not paying according to my own investigation. So for those of you making researches, this is my own investigation which I carried out on this platform, and that is the result which I got. So you are advised to make your own research. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Spark. If you have another question, feel free to comment below, and don't forget to share this video. Okay, thank you.